Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and today we are going to be virtually decorating a room in my client's home. This is her first apartment, and we are going to be picking out furniture that meets her style. She wants furniture that is very modern or contemporary, but also feminine. She loves the color pink, so we're going to try to incorporate pink. I am trying to sway her from not using that color too much, but just as maybe a pop of accent. So the first thing we're going to do is take a photo of a blank wall in her living room. So we're going to use this wall on the back, and we're going to take a photo, and we're going to use that, and we're going to make a mood board. Now, the first place I go shopping for furniture on a budget is Overstock. So we have our budget in mind, we know how much we have to spend, and we're going to try to stretch that over every room that we have to decorate. One thing to keep in mind is with Overstock, you do have to assemble your furniture, but it is still very high quality furniture and it will save you a lot of money. Apartment. So one of the first things we're going to buy are a couch, possibly a love seat. She needs a coffee table, a couple of end tables, maybe some artificial plants to give the room life, as well as little home decor accents. So I love to go to Overstock because they are always offering some type of coupon. So if you have not done so, sign up for email notifications from Overstock. Typically, their discounts run from 12 to 15% that you can get off of their sale price. So that helps you save a little bit of extra money. So the couch that she wants something that has some tough detail. So I saw this couch. It's really nice, but I think it's oversized for the space as well as way too much money. So I'm gonna keep looking. Looking to see maybe if we could find something similar to the style that she likes, but maybe something a little more that's within her budget to give her the look for less. You guys know I'm all about that look for less. Thought maybe a sofa with a chaise might work best within her space. It's smaller in size, but when I looked at the reviews on this sofa, oh my gosh, not good at all. And forgive my editing details, guys. I am not tech savvy. I haven't figured out yet how to scroll through and insert it into a video, so I am just taking some photos from my phone. So once we've picked out the sofa, I go back to Canva, and using my blank wall, I put together mood boards for my client to see and for her to look at them and see which one appeals the most to her. So after we picked out the furniture, I went to Canva, and using her blank wall, I put together mood board inspiration for her. So I picked out this couch. It has the tough detail that she likes, but it's also contemporary. In this first mood board, we are using a white coffee table, an aerial rug to ground the space that is a blue and gray in color. We have included some white and blue wall art and added a touch of greenery to bring some life to the space. In this next mood board, we've kept the couch the same as well as the coffee table, and we've changed out the rug to a different pattern, a darker blue. We've added a white accent table as well as a little black planter stand on your left side with some greenery to bring life, as I said before. And I've also switched out the canvases to a more vibrant blue. If she doesn't like the little plant stand in black, we can always go back to the greenery by using the tree. In this next look, we've changed it up a bit. We are still using the same couch, the same tree, and the sofa table, but we've changed out the rug to give it a more dramatic effect, as well as the wall art. We're using something a little edgier, a little more grown and sophisticated by using the black, white, and grays with a touch of gold. It gives the space a grown and sexy vibe. In this next look, we have kept everything the same, but we've changed out the sofa. We are using a darker sofa and a lighter rug. And in this next mood board, we gave the client the touch of pink that she wanted. I brought in some pink in the rug as well as the wall art. For our next look, I have changed out the rug to one that is black and charcoal. We've gone bold and dramatic with a black couch. We kept our white coffee table and side table, and we have brought in some life by using some greenery on the back wall. So those are the mood board inspirations I gave to my client. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one you think she chose. Make sure you subscribe because this will be a weekly series as we go and decorate my client's home with style on a budget. Make sure you tap that notification bell. You do not want to miss any upcoming uploads. And I will see you in the next one.